Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Hello ladies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please subscribe so you don't miss no more videos. Give the video a thumbs up while you're here. You saw the thumbnail. We're gonna eat today, all right? These are super cute comic book Valentine's big lip nails with the big lip charms that I made. I've been teaching y'all how to do it. I've been showing y'all how to do it, and I know you want to see her in action. Like, is this for real, girl? Yes, it's for real. I'm gonna go in with my squares, my tapered squares. I'm not a huge fan of a square on my hand. I just find it bulky, especially at a certain length. That's just me, my opinion, but I love a short square. She eats all day, but you know, I like to, if I'm doing long squares, then I want to have a lot of real estate. I want to have a lot of fun. There's room for it all. So hopefully let's have some fun with these nails. And if you're here for it, let's get into application. I'm going to start by applying my square tips with my MsnailsGalore nail glue. You know, I get that from Amazon. So far, so good. I enjoy her. And ladies, I don't know if you've noticed, but I have begun to post hidden videos. You need the link. So check out my community post because I will post them there. Just hidden little tutorials for you guys. Something special to say thank you. I'm going to go in and just cut them down a little bit, blend them, get them really cute and ready. Again, I don't do squares often, so I do struggle. Like, I have to pay attention and make sure that I'm filing them good and I'm not over shaping. Girl, I'm gonna go in with the no lift primer because you know I love that stuff. I've been using it for years now, and you guys see how healthy my natural nails actually are. I do take the time to completely soak off. No, I don't care if I do it the next day or 2-3 weeks later. I always take the time to properly soak off. I'm going to be working with my number 12. It's 100% Kalinsky, as well as my Kasi monomer that I get from Amazon. Now, I love this monomer because it is a speed dry, and we'll get into some of that later. But I'm also going to add just my clear protective layer. I do this under all my sets. I love to put down a little clear layer just to get me started, have a smooth surface to work on, you know, connect my natural nail to the tip, as well as protect my natural nail bed from any staining of any color that I decide to go in with. Like, it's not even touching my natural nail bed. So I'm gonna try to move this along rather quickly because we've got a lot of work to do, a lot of fun to be had, honey, a lot of fun to be had, and you guys should pretty much know how to do this part. So I knew this set was going to be fun, and I wanted a color that was bright and potent and fun, and I found this Barbie pink. I think I made this, so she does not have the best consistency. Like, the formula is kind of like, the texture is very weird, but I use it on myself, and she's such a pretty color, like a vibrant dark pink with a little bit of glitter in her. So I'm just going to apply this to all the nails, giving me a full color coverage on the pink, and then I will go in and encapsulate. So as you know, your girl been working on these little charms, and they're so cute, along with the big lip bay charms. I've been making little kisses just in time for Valentine's Day. So if you're interested, reach out, girl. I will try to ship next day. I personally think they'll be really cute in the summertime as well. I'm moving through this application, girl. It was hard. The house was hot. The acrylic was runny. Even though I'm using speed dry, it's because I homemade this mixture. So she's not her best, but I'm getting through it because the color is worth the struggle. So, you know, I'm going to see this through. But as long as I get full coverage on, I will build with my clear. And I want to give a huge shout out to my new subbies. Wow, you guys, 2,200 subbies. You guys watch the videos, share the videos, give the video a thumbs up. Let me know that you're enjoying them, and I super appreciate you guys. Clearly, you starting to see why I chose this color. I mean, look how pretty she is. She's a light pink, but she's giving, like, she's a bright light pink. Does that even make sense? She's giving Barbie bubblegum pink, really cute. Maybe with like a blue tinge, a blue undertone. I'm not quite sure, but Very nice. I don't give it to the girls enough because I don't trust her and she's hard to work with, but she's very pretty and I think she's going to be a really cute base for this pink comic book Valentine's set. When I posted these, the girls went crazy. They thought they were very pretty. They did so good on TikTok, of course. And I just wanted the lips to stand out. I wanted to show the girls what you can do with them, that they're not so awkward and ridiculous, that they can be really fun and pretty. And I thought a comic book set would be so complimentary. So I am going to encapsulate. I do like them a little thick. You know how I like my nails, a little 3 months pregnant and whatnot. So I'm definitely going to encapsulate, but gorgeous color, absolutely in love. Girl, look at them. They're stunning. This color, it's really getting me into the summertime vibe. I am ready. I'm going to file and shape off camera and give you a little something to look at. Girl, nail cards are still available, series 1 and 2. And now we have big lip bay charms if you're interested. And also little kisses. Perfect for Valentine's Day, but I think they'll be really cute for the summer. So get your hands on some. So these are the girls, honey. They are square. The square is squaring. I'm very proud. I did very good with the shaping. Squares are always very hard for me to shape. I'm going to clean them up and we're going to get into the design portion of the set. I'm super excited because I wanted to keep them simple. I wanted the lips to be like the shining star. I want them to read from like a block away. The girls will know what these are. So I'm going to start off with a base layer. Now, sometimes I do, most times I do, sometimes I don't. But I always go in with the base layer, especially if I'm going in with like Frenchies and more gel products. I want them to stick very nicely to my acrylic. Sometimes your gel products may peel from your acrylic, separate from the acrylic. Like the whole thing, the top coat, the color, the design will just peel right away from those acrylic nails. So I do like to go in with a base layer, and then if I need to clean up anything, it'll just wipe off very smoothly. Now I'm gonna go in with some color, and I chose this hot pink. This is a hot pink from Beetles. You know, Beetles is one of my favorite brands, and I felt like it matched these particular lips that I had done. I don't know if I used the same color, but it was very similar, so I was like, okay, I see a color that resembles the pink. I think I'm gonna go for that. Like you could go for an off color, like do pink nails with a red lip, like that's no big deal. I just was looking for something that matched a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with this hot pink and I'm going to create some Frenchies. So I am going to add 2 layers of this hot pink to this nail. I want to give a full, bold, bright, full color coverage on this pink. I want her to read very well. And please make sure you're curing between every layer of gel. So when doing comic book nails, you're gonna need a lot of black. The black is what makes it pop, the pop art look. Nice, clean, straight, bold black lines. That's really gonna give the look. So I'm gonna go in and outline this French in bold black lines. So I did go in and cure my initial black outline. If you're feeling ballsy, some days, you know, I'm feeling like a nut. Some days I'm not. I cured. I wanted those lines were good. I liked them. I wanted to cure them. And now I'm outlining that French. I mean, you know how hard it can be to go over your French and outline that. So I didn't want any mistakes. I cured the sidewall outline, and now I'm going in with the French outline, just making sure it looks nice and it's outlined nice and thick and bold, and then I'm going to cure that. Now, at first I wasn't sure, but definitely when I saw the look come together, I was like, oh, I'm doing this on every nail. So I'm going to continue the pink Frenchies with the bold black outline, and I'll walk you through it. Don't worry. So to me, it's all in the details, and the little line work is what really gives it that pop art look. So I want to add some little line work along the edges that I've done, just some thin line work. I can't explain it. You can see what I'm doing here. It works best if you add like some black line work, some white line work. Something about the black and the white line work really makes it pop and really brings it to life. So, like I said, I feel like black and white line work really helped to make this look come together. So I'm going to add just a little bit on the nail bed, some little black and white swoops just to add some 3D-ness to it. You can add as much or as little detail as you want. I find that as long as you have the black bold outline, they still read pretty well, but I'm just going in with some extra detailed work just to really make them pop. All right, so it's the fun part. The fun part is coming up. What nail? How am I? Where am I gonna put this lip charm? I decided to put her on the middle finger. I think I would have put her on the pointer, the middle, or the ring finger. But I'm going in with the middle finger. And girl, I was tired. I was tired, and I was like, how can I do this even quicker? Even quicker. Since the charm is quite large, I didn't have to go in with a perfect French. I placed the charm on the nail and realized the French part wouldn't even be seen. So I was like, oh girl, work smarter, not harder. I'm gonna just give her a rough draft French and then go in with the black boldness, the part that's gonna be seen, the line work on the sidewalls. And girl, she's the most improper French I ever saw. Look at her. She's like a square French. I don't know what kind of French that is, but that part won't even be seen. So I didn't really have to, bust my balls on a perfect French. I definitely wanted the outlines and the little accents to match up. Anything that was going to be seen, I wanted it to look like it matched the other nails. So I am so excited. I'm going to be applying them with acrylic. My Big Lip Bay charms, I'm going to apply them using clear acrylic. I don't know if gel would work the same, if the light would be able to get to the back side and cure it fully. So I would go with acrylic. Plus she's big, she's bulbous, if she grabs on anything, she's quite smooth, I must say, with her beautiful big lips. But if she does grab or get caught like in your shirt or something, with acrylic, she won't. This is not coming off. This is not coming off, girl. And I would place her slightly below the natural nail free edge, because then you could cut them with the nail clippers and just cut this whole piece and maybe salvage the lips. You could cut them out, file them off that piece of nail. But if you place this anywhere on your natural nail bed and you don't have any room to like clip her off, it's going to be very difficult to get off. Okay, these are on for real. These are big, bulbous, heavy charms. They're not going to just snap off. All right, so I absolutely love this set. I made these little 3D heart molds. I had a heart mold that I got from Amazon, and it had little tiny ones and like little ones and bigger ones and big ones. So cute. And I decided to do the black and white comic book little swipe lines on them, little swoop lines, and I'm going to apply them to the nails, and then I'm going to top coat. Now, usually if I had a photo shoot and an outfit and today is the day, girl, I would have done these in matte. I would have painted all the nails and the charm matte except for the lips, and matte just really gives that comic book paper feel. But if you know, girl. So if I'm gonna rock these for like 2 weeks, I'm just lollygagging, doing everyday shit, they're gonna get dirty, your blue jeans, your black tights, So I'm gonna go in with a nice layer of glossy over them, but it was just as cute, and the girls loved it. I hope you love it. I hope you try it. I hope you're not afraid of the lip trend anymore. It can be a little overwhelming, but they are super cute, especially mines. I feel like mines just give like Babs Bunny, Jessica Rabbit, just cartoony, kind of very cute, retro. So if you're here for it and you into it, girl, Try them out. Very cute. I hope you love the set. I love you. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm going to post up my little video shoot and let you see the girls in action. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay.